In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could switch your Snapchat account from public to private. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. And if at any point you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But the first thing you're going to want to do is open up Snapchat on your iPhone or your Android device and actually tap on your profile up in the top left corner by selecting on your Bitmoji, and then tap the gear icon up in the top right corner to open up your settings. Scroll down on this page until you see these privacy control options here, and there's a few options you're going to want to change. The first thing you're going to want to do is actually change your See My Location to ghost mode. Turn that on and your friends aren't going to be able to see your location. From here, go ahead and go down to View My Story and turn this to My Friends or Custom. In this option that says See Me and Find Friends, go ahead and turn this off so strangers can't actually find you, and then switch Contact Me to Just Friends. Finally, see this comment section, and what you're going to want to do is actually go ahead and open that up and set it to manually approve comments. For extra privacy, under the privacy choices, turn on any options to limit the use of your personal information. But yeah, that's it. Your Snapchat account is going to now be fully private. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point you did have any questions, make sure to ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.